Hi, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly golden, crispy fried tofu. We're starting with 14 ounces of firm tofu. Firm tofu holds its shape best under high heat. Cut the tofu crosswise into 1-inch thick planks. Then soak the planks for 15 minutes in a hot water brine. You'll need a 1/4 cup of salt dissolved into 4 cups of boiling water. The heat and the salt draw out the moisture from the tofu surface. This will help it brown. The heat also tightens the proteins on the outside of the tofu, keeping the inside moist. After the 15-minute soak, place the tofu on 4 paper towels. Then cover the tofu with 4 more paper towels. Press it gently and let it rest for another 15 minutes. Now that the tofu is well soaked and well rested, we'll cut it into cubes and toss it with cornstarch. Make sure you coat it lightly for a nice crispy exterior. Heat up some vegetable oil until it's shimmering. Then shallow fry the cubes for 4 to 5 minutes and you're golden. And so is the tofu. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.